Good class, how's it going? Are you ready for story time with me? We're going to read The Windy Day by Anna Milbourne and Ellen Temporin. What do you guys see in the cover? I'll tell you a clue. It starts with a K. She's holding it and it flies in the sky. It's a kite! That's right, a kite. Who likes to fly kites? I flew a kite the other day and I actually lost it. But that means I have to get a new one. All right, you ready to go? Let's go. Have you ever wondered what sways the trees? Like it's dancing in the air. It makes leaves dance across the grass. What could it be? Look, all the trees are dancing for you. It's nothing you can see. It's nothing you can hold. But if you can go outside on a what kind of day? A windy day, you can feel it. It's in the air moving around. It ruffles your hair and snatches your hat. Almost as if it wants to play. Oh my gosh, the hat's about to fly away. Look, what animal is that? Woof, woof, a dog. If you roll out the string of a big bright kite, just like this long string, then throw the kite into the air and run as fast as you can. The wind might catch it and make it. What's gonna happen with the kite? It's gonna fly. It dips and dives and swoops around, held up in the invisible wind. Whoa, it's high up in the wind. All at once, a blistering gust tosses the kite into a tree. We gotta go climb and get the tree up the tree. Boom, boom, boom. The wind is rough and tumbling along the cliff. It rushes in from the sea and stumbles over the bumpy land. Can you point to the ocean? That's right, the blue is the ocean with the sailboats. And can you point to the grass? That's right, the grass is right here. It's green color with the trees and the people flying the kite on it. But out on the open sea, the wind blows steadily for miles and miles. It fills a boat's sail, making them billow, and pushes the boat across the what? What are these called? Waves. Let's go catch waves. High on the sky. What are these called? Seagulls, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seagulls, my favorite number, 8. And their voices are carried away by the wind. Caw, caw, caw. They hit their wings to catch the breeze and ride it back to shore. Let's pretend we're flying. Ready? Like a fast seagull. It's too blowy for little birds to fly around. So they huddle up in a branch and wait for the wind to go away. Let's huddle up. Squeeze. At the foot of the tree, there's a sheltered spot. Look at all these animals I see, like little moles and a rabbit, where animals hide from the chilly wind, tucked into holes and piles of fallen leaves. What kind of leaves do you guys see? I see green. I see orange. I see yellow. I even see ones that are mixed colors with green, brown, and orange and yellow. As the wind rustles a sycamore tree, its twirly seeds are shaking free. They spin down like this, and down, and down. The seeds lie scattered on the ground. Soon they'll start to grow into a new sycamore. A sycamore what? What is this? Sycamore tree! So the seeds are blown from the wind, they go back on the ground, and then they grow back into a sycamore tree. Isn't that cool? Further along the cliff top stands a row of tall white windmills. How many windmills are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Yat, y, some say. 4 windmills. Wind blowing in from the sea slowly pushes their sails around. The turning windmills, just like this, making electricity, which is sent through wires to a nearby little town right there. It lights up the lights there and makes all kinds of things work. Just like your iPads, you need electricity to plug it in to get time with the iPad. You might wonder if the restless wind ever gets tired of blowing. Let's blow. Do you think it gets tired blowing? But even when the wind dies down where you are, it's always blowing somewhere else. And that is the story of the windy day. And that answers the question. So let me ask you a question, guys. Have you ever wondered what makes the trees sway and the leaves dance across the grass? What could it be? It is! Ding, 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 ding. It's the wind that makes the trees and the leaves dance. See you later. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.